Guidelines for Attaining Riches. Number 1. Self-motivation. That inner fire that pushes you when things get tough. Look, in this financial journey, there will be bumps and hurdles, that's a given. But let me tell you, maintaining a sturdy internal drive is your secret weapon. See, challenges will test you, but your motivation will push you forward. It's about setting your sights on those financial goals and knowing that every step counts. When you hit roadblocks, and you will, that internal fire is what keeps you searching for solutions instead of giving up. It's about reminding yourself why you started in the first place. Wealth isn't handed out, it's earned through dedication and grit. So remember, it's not just about the numbers on the balance sheet. It's about fostering that unwavering determination to tackle challenges head-on and claim the success you're aiming for. 2. Financial analysis. Financial statements and data might seem intimidating, but they're like your treasure map. They hold the insights you need to make smart decisions. By honing your ability to analyze these, you're essentially equipping yourself with X-ray vision for businesses. Look, it's not just about understanding profits and losses. It's about delving into the nuances. You're looking for trends, patterns and anomalies that reveal the real story behind the numbers. When you can spot where money's going and coming, you're positioned to make choices that can shape your financial future. So, embrace this skill. It's your compass in a world of financial possibilities, and it's your tool to steer your ship toward those riches you're after. 3. Investment management. The idea here is to be strategic. You've got a pot of money, and the goal is to grow it. But you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. That's where allocation comes in, spreading your funds across various assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Each asset has its own rhythm and potential for returns. You're in it for the long haul, looking at the big picture. And that's where the optimal returns come into play. By learning the art of investment management, you're essentially playing the financial chessboard, making moves that set you up for financial success down the road. Remember, it's not just about the money you have today, it's about the wealth you can build for tomorrow by making smart choices today. 4. Content creation. In this digital age, the ability to create content that grabs attention is gold. It's about crafting messages that resonate with people. Whether it's writing, podcasts, or social media posts, it's all about connecting. Being able to convey complex financial concepts in an easy-to-understand way can set you apart. When you create content that's valuable, that informs, educates, or even entertains, you're building a bridge between you and your audience. And that bridge can lead to opportunities. It can help you establish your expertise, build trust, and even attract potential clients or partners. So don't underestimate the power of your words and visuals. Content creation is like building a foundation for your financial journey. By mastering this skill, you're setting yourself up to not only attain riches but to also be a trusted voice in the financial landscape. 5. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is the toolbox that equips you to reach the right people with your financial products or services. From search engines to social media, you're tapping into platforms where your audience hangs out. By understanding your audience's needs and preferences, you can tailor your messages in a way that grabs their attention. It's about using tools like SEO, paid ads, and engaging content to build a solid online presence. Think of it as showcasing your skills on a global stage. And when done right, digital marketing doesn't just promote products, it builds relationships and trust. It's your spotlight in the vast online arena, allowing you to connect, engage, and ultimately steer your financial ship towards the riches you're aiming for. 6. Market research. It's about knowing where you're headed. Market research is your roadmap. It's diving deep into data, trends, and consumer behavior to uncover opportunities that others might miss. By conducting thorough research, you're essentially making smart decisions rather than relying on guesswork. It's like having a flashlight in a dark room. You're illuminating paths that lead to potential riches. But remember, this isn't just a one-time deal, it's an ongoing process. Markets evolve, trends change, and staying updated is your edge. So embrace the role of a researcher, and position yourself to make calculated moves towards financial success. 7. Data analysis. Think of it as your superpower to uncover insights from raw information. In this age of digital overload, data is everywhere and it's incredibly valuable. You're not just swimming through numbers, you're spotting trends, understanding customer behavior, and even predicting future outcomes. When you can decipher patterns and identify opportunities that others might overlook, you're essentially a financial detective. This skill isn't reserved for mathematicians, it's about critical thinking. By mastering data analysis, you're stepping into a realm where you can navigate through uncertainties with confidence. Numbers aren't just digits, they're your compass in the vast landscape of financial opportunities, helping you steer your path toward the riches you're aiming for. Enter a world where dreams become reality. Our blog, BraylenAV.com, unlocks the secrets of success, luxury, and extraordinary living. Subscribe now. 8. Coding and programming. Understanding the language of computers isn't just for techies. It's for savvy individuals like you who want to step up their financial game. It's like being a problem-solving wizard, using lines of code as your spells. With programming skills, you're not just limited to what's already out there. You can craft your own solutions tailored to your financial needs. From developing software to automate repetitive tasks, to building apps that streamline financial processes, your coding skills can give you a significant edge. Don't shy away from the world of coding. It's not reserved for the tech elite. It's a tool in your arsenal that can help you develop, automate, and innovate in the realm of finance, bringing you closer to millions. 9. Graphic design. You might be thinking this is more about colors and shapes, but it's about much more than that. In a world where visual communication matters, graphic design is your artistic toolkit. Whether it's a logo, a website, or social media content, design plays a vital role in how people perceive you. It's like your financial signature, setting the tone for your brand. By mastering graphic design, you're not just making things look nice, you're crafting a visual identity that resonates with your target audience. It's understanding the psychology behind visuals, how colors, fonts, and layouts influence perception. When you can create materials that are not just visually appealing but also aligned with your message, you're essentially building trust and credibility. So don't underestimate the power of design. 10. Web development. Think of it as your virtual headquarters. In this digital era, your website is often the first impression you make, and a strong first impression can go a long way. Make sure your website is user-friendly, functional, and aligned with your goals. It's not just about fancy layouts. It's about navigation that's intuitive, ensuring visitors can easily find what they're looking for. By learning web development, you're essentially putting yourself in the driver's seat, able to customize your online presence exactly the way you want. Whether it's an e-commerce site, a blog, or a portfolio, the functionality and experience you offer matter. The goal is to build a digital space that represents you well and attracts paying visitors. 11. Search engine optimization. Having a great website isn't enough. People need to find it. That's where SEO comes in. Understand how search engines work in optimizing your online content so that when someone searches for a topic related to what you offer, your website appears at the top of the results. It's like making your online presence a magnet for attention. By understanding keywords, optimizing your headlines, and creating valuable content, you're essentially making it easier for search engines to recognize the relevance of your website. SEO isn't just traffic, it's targeted traffic. People who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. So dive into SEO. Make your online efforts count, ensuring your message reaches the right audience. 12. Copywriting. In a world filled with information, crafting words that not only grab attention but drive action is extraordinary. Think of it as the art of persuasion through words. Copywriting is using language strategically to connect with your audience, resonate with their needs, and guide them towards a desired outcome, whether that's making a purchase, signing up, or taking any action you want them to. It's not about just throwing words together, it's about creating a narrative that influences decisions. By mastering copywriting, you're essentially mastering the art of communication. Being persuasive and empathetic, understanding what your audience wants, and showing them how your products or services can fulfill those needs. Focus on crafting messages that can impact your financial success, driving sales, conversions, and ultimately lead you to millions. 13. E-commerce management. We're going to talk about the details of selling things online and how it all fits into the broader picture of attaining financial success. To start, e-commerce is the art of selling products or services on the internet. There are various platforms like websites, social media, and online marketplaces where you can set up your virtual store. It's essential to understand these platforms and choose the one that aligns with your business goals. As you venture into this digital marketplace, your focus should be on delivering a top-notch customer experience. The online world is competitive, so a smooth and pleasant customer journey can set you apart. Building trust with your customers is crucial. Providing clear product information, having a secure payment system, and offering excellent customer support are key ingredients. Moreover, optimizing your online presence for search engines will help potential customers find you easily. Keep an eye on your competitors and market trends to adapt your strategies. Success in e-commerce takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent in refining your approach. 14. Project management. This involves the systematic organization and control of tasks, resources, and timelines to achieve your financial goals. At its core, project management is about effectively planning and executing activities to make your aspirations a reality. It begins by breaking down your objectives into smaller, manageable tasks. By outlining these tasks, you create a roadmap that helps you stay on track. Identifying the resources required, be it manpower, funds, or technology, is pivotal. Allocating these resources efficiently ensures smooth progress. Timelines play a crucial role. Setting realistic deadlines and milestones keeps your project moving forward. Regular monitoring and adjustments become vital as circumstances change. Communication within your team, be it collaborators or stakeholders, is key. 15. Statistical analysis. Statistical analysis is the toolkit you need to uncover patterns, trends, and relationships within data sets. By employing techniques like mean, median, and mode, you can gain a better understanding of the central tendencies of your data. Measures of dispersion, such as variance and standard deviation, help you gauge the spread of your data points. Sampling techniques help you draw conclusions about a larger population based on a subset of data. Hypothesis testing lets you determine if observed differences are statistically significant or merely due to chance. These analytical tools empower you to make informed choices by reducing uncertainty and minimizing risks. It's important to recognize that accurate data collection is foundational to reliable analysis. By developing proficiency in statistical analysis, you enhance your ability to decipher complex data landscapes and make strategic decisions that steer you towards financial prosperity. 16. Business strategy. Crafting long-term plans and strategies to guide you in achieving your financial objectives. Your business strategy serves as a roadmap, outlining the steps necessary to reach your desired financial outcomes. Start by setting clear and specific financial goals that align with your vision. Analyze your current position and assess external factors like market trends, competition, and economic conditions to identify opportunities and challenges that could impact your financial journey. Your strategy should not only define what you want to achieve, but also outline how you'll achieve it. Flexibility is crucial as the business landscape evolves. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your strategy will keep you on track and ready to capitalize on emerging opportunities. Ultimately, a robust business strategy provides a structured approach to navigate the complexities of the business world and work steadily toward achieving financial prosperity. 17. Supply chain management is all about ensuring that the right products are at the right place and time, from raw materials to the finished product. It starts by sourcing materials and components, followed by manufacturing or assembly, distribution, and finally, reaching the end consumer. An effective supply chain minimizes unnecessary costs while maximizing the value delivered to customers. This requires careful planning and coordination across various stages of the supply chain, from suppliers to manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. By reducing inefficiencies, streamlining processes, and managing inventory effectively, You can minimize waste and optimize resources, leading to improved financial outcomes. The goal is to create a smooth and synchronized flow of goods and services, ensuring that operations remain cost-effective while meeting customer demands and contributing to your financial prosperity. 18. Risk assessment. Preparing for the unexpected bumps in the road. When it comes to evaluating risks, you first need to identify what might go wrong. Maybe it's a sudden job loss, a stock market dip, or an unexpected medical expense. Once you've got those risks pinned down, it's time to brainstorm strategies to reduce their impact. This could involve building an emergency fund, diversifying your investments, or getting insurance. The key here is to plan ahead and be proactive, ensuring your financial journey stays as smooth as possible. 19. Real estate investment. A critical aspect of wealth building. It involves understanding the property markets, which are essentially where you can buy, sell, or rent properties like houses or apartments. To excel in real estate investment, start by researching the local market trends, property values, and rental demand in your desired area. This knowledge will empower you. Keep an eye on factors like location, property condition, and potential for future growth. When you decide to invest, be mindful of your budget and consider financing options, such as mortgages. Real estate can be a valuable asset over time, but it's crucial to approach it wisely, as it can also be a significant financial commitment. Ultimately, with the right knowledge and strategy, real estate can be a key contributor to your path to financial success. 20. Quantitative analysis. Harnessing the power of mathematics and statistics to gain insights into financial markets. Understanding quantitative analysis helps you make more informed investment decisions. By examining historical market data and using mathematical models, you can identify patterns and trends. This enables you to assess potential risks and rewards, which is vital when considering where to allocate your hard-earned money. Keep in mind, quantitative analysis is using data-driven tools to guide your choices. Whether you're evaluating stocks, bonds, or other investment vehicles, this skill can be your compass in the complex world of finance, steering you toward a more prosperous future. So embrace the numbers and statistical methods. They can be your trusted allies on your journey towards riches. 21. Cryptocurrency knowledge. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that use blockchain technology, which is essentially a secure and decentralized digital ledger. To potentially profit in this space, it's essential to get acquainted with the basics. Start by learning about prominent cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as the underlying blockchain technology. Understand how transactions work, how cryptocurrencies are mined or created, and the concept of wallets for safe storage. The cryptocurrency market can be volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose, and always do thorough research before diving in. 22. Mentorship. Mentorship plays a pivotal role in shaping your financial acumen. Mentorship involves seeking guidance and wisdom from experienced professionals who have walked the path you aspire to tread. These mentors can be financial experts, successful entrepreneurs, or people in your desired field. The value of mentorship lies in the insights they can offer. They've likely faced the challenges you'll encounter, made mistakes, and achieved success, which means they possess a wealth of knowledge that can help you avoid pitfalls. By learning from their experiences, you can fast-track your own financial growth. Actively seek out mentors, engage in meaningful conversations, and be open to absorbing their wisdom. Mentorship is a powerful tool in your arsenal as you strive to attain riches. By embracing a blend of essential skills such as financial analysis, digital marketing, and strategic planning, you are equipping yourself with the tools needed to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of wealth building. Stay resilient in the face of challenges, remain open to learning, and always strive for ethical practices. With dedication, determination, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge, you're not just chasing riches, you're crafting a legacy of accomplishment, impact, and empowerment for yourself and those around you. Keep moving forward, your riches awaits.